Chico,
Yeah, we going up. YouTube, we back with another one. Driveway cleaning, sidewalks and curbs, front walkway uphill. We gotta stop because we ain't gonna do the porch because the porch is painted. So he said don't worry about it. So we gonna cap it off right here real good. You know what I'm saying? This house, it need to be washed on a certain side. The gutters and soffits need cleaning, but we ain't here for that. I'm sure gonna upsell it though and let him know. Good dude. You know what I'm saying? I know he gonna want to get it done, but we about to take care of this driveway first. Get these sidewalks cleaned up. Yeah. What's up, babe?
What's going on, y'all? Y'all stay tuned. We out here.
We out here. Yeah. I got my own hoodie. She got hers, in case anybody was wondering. Yeah, we don't share clothes. That's where his property stop right. Start. This where they'll stop and he'll start. You see that? We about to make that look like whoever did that, that's poor work. And we sure will be leaving them folks a flyer on their mailbox so they can call us. Plus, they gonna ask him who cleaned it. They gonna ask him who cleaned his. Watch, I'm gonna make sure of that. I need to get a good picture of this too. We ain't gonna put no chemical on this. We ain't using no chemical in this area. We don't want no chemical to go down that drain. So we is gonna hit all of this. I'm gonna pre-treat this, all of that. But I ain't gonna put no chemical on this or the curb, or the curbs either. But that driveway in trouble. First step, get all the leaves and debris and whatever dirt and stuff you can get off before you start. That'll be cool. It gonna make your work look a lot better. Get all that dirt, all that debris off first, and then apply the chemical. You know what I'm saying? Then apply the chemical. So that's what we doing. Getting the dirt and debris from everything as much as possible before we start applying, and then we're gonna apply the chemical and do and start surface cleaning. I think I'm gonna start on them curbs and sidewalk first. Let's go. Got them curbs cleaned up enough. I'm gonna spray them down again before we leave, but I got all my touch-ups, my linings, separate the properties, pre-treated everything except this. Everything except the curb. I cleaned this with no solution. I cleaned this with no solution. But I sprayed it from there on down though. You know what I'm saying? I ain't put it on the curb, but I put it on the right there though, on the sidewalk. I got all. I'm starting at the top. I'm gonna start right here and work my way down. I already got all this clean. Let's get it. I'm about to start right here in this corner right here. Look at that, y'all. Like day and night. Like day and night. Yeah, we going up. It's time. We going up, it's time. We been working hard and staying down. We grind, run that paper up and stack up every dime. Invest in myself, oh yeah. I'm trying, too consistent, I ain't lying. We going up, it's time. We been working hard and staying down. We grind, run that paper up and stack up every dime. Invest in myself, oh yeah. I'm trying, too consistent, I ain't lying. We going up, it's time. Got up on my ass and got a bag. I grind, run it up. My family having no capping, dripping in fashion. Look at us, yeah, we deserve it. Came from nothing. We been working, we was patient. Been through plenty situations. All that time I was facing, I ain't never told. Migo ain't never fold. Give everything a good X-Jet rinse. That X-Jet do some good rinsing, boy. I tell you, if you don't got an X-Jet, you better go get one. It's good for applying hot mixes. I mean, it's really a portable portable soft wash system. Except for you keeping everything on the truck, you got it right with you, and you just carrying a bucket around, a 5-gallon pail. I got an X-Jet pail system specifically designed for X-Jet hoses. For X-Jet, that's what it's called, an X-Jet pail system. All that dirt, that ain't even all of it, that's just what's left. I'm about to spray the rest of this down, those sidewalk curves. And then I'm gonna pre-treat, and then I'm gonna show y'all what it look like when I'm done, all right? Stay tuned. All right, y'all, this is what we looking like. Clean, got them curves clean. All the way up through there. You know what I'm saying? Got all it cleaned up. I told y'all, we gonna make this look like they gonna see that they need it done, you hear me? Show about to leave a flyer on their mailbox. Cause when it's dry, they gonna be jealous. That's a fact. I always make the neighbors jealous of each other, man, you know what I'm saying? Next thing you know, they see my truck out there doing their neighbor yard, you feel me? But this still wet, y'all. It's gonna look amazing when it dry. It's gonna look something like that. It's gonna look real good when it dry, I promise you. I wish I can stay long enough to get an after picture right now. I could have cleaned this up, but he told me don't worry about it. So we ain't gonna worry about it. But this what we looking like, y'all. Probably could have put a little acid on that. Pull them right on up. F9 or something. But y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. I appreciate y'all. Y'all already know I gotta put one out. Gotta let these folk know who made this concrete look amazing, you know? Let's get it. Consistent, I ain't lying. Hey.